Hi friends, in this video we are solving a problem on vector integral calculus. Given problem is, if f bar is equal to 3x square minus 2z times of I minus 4xy times of j minus 5xk, evaluate integral over v curl f bar dv. Integral over v is nothing but we are doing a volume integral, where v is a volume bounded by the planes x is equal 0, y is equal 0, z is equal 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 6. So friends, what we have to find actually? Integral of curl f bar dv. Integral of curl f bar dv, nothing but volume integral. This one we can write curl f bar is nothing but del cross f bar. dv we can write as dx, dy, dz. So instead of single integral, I can write a triple integral over v. Okay, v is a volume bounded by the planes x equal 0, y equal 0, z equal 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 3z is equal 6. So friends, might be you will get like a tetrahedron like this. Okay, now in this case, here we need to find out x limit, y limit, z limits. Okay, later on we have to find out the del cross f bar. They are given f bar or not? Yes. Now I want curl f bar. Curl f bar we are denoting with the del cross f bar. So you will get a del cross f bar, and from this tetrahedron, from this plane, you can get the x limit, y limit, z limit. Friends, you see this is not a, it is in 3-dimensional space. In the 3-dimensional space, if it is a cube or else cuboid, then only you will get x limit, y limit, z limits are independent. Means all the limits are independent. Otherwise, the limits will be dependent. For example, you see the given problem limits I am doing right now. 3z is equal to 6. Here, in this case, first I am treating, I want x value. If I want x value, put y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0, comma z is equal to 0. I will get x value. What I will get here? 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2. So x limit I got here. Is it clear? If I want x value, I have to substitute y value and z value with 0. So I got x value. X is moving from 0 to 2. From here to here. Next, I want y value. If I want y value, don't put x and z 0. You have to put only z equal to 0. Because your this is not a cube or cuboid. If you put x equal 0, z equal 0, you will get y value is constant. Similarly for z, if you put x equal 0, y equal 0, z value will be constant. So in that case, that is region is bounded by the cube or cuboid. So that answer is what you have taken, that region is wrong. So in this region, already you taken yz 0. Now you put z is equal to 0. That implies you will have 2y is equal to 6 minus 3x. So y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. Okay, now I got y value. Next I want z value. Keep z left side, then you will get a z value as minus 3z is equal to 6 minus 3x minus 2y. So z is equal to, simply I am writing, this is my first, this is plus 3x. So 3x plus 2y minus 6 by 3. I am multiplied with minus sign and divide with 3. So I will get here 3x minus 2y minus 6 by 3. Is it clear for everyone? Right. So now I got the z value and y value and x value. Nothing but x, y, z limits I have. Right. Now what you need to find out now? Del cross f bar we need to find out. Del cross f bar we are denoting with curl f bar, we are denoting with del cross f bar. Del cross f bar is I, j, k. Is defined as I quotient in del, that is dou by dou x, j quotient is in del, dou by dou y, k quotient is in del, dou by dou z. Next, in the f bar, what is the I quotient here you have? I quotient is 3x square minus 2z, j quotient is minus 4xy, k quotient is minus 5x. Now I am writing those values. f1 is equal to 3x square minus 2z, f2 is equal to minus 4xy, f3 is equal to minus 5x. Now I have to do the determinant to get the del cross f bar, right? Now I times of determinant you know very well, yes or no? Now with respect to y, 0 minus with respect to z, is there any z term? No, so it is also 0 minus j times of with respect to x is nothing but here minus 5. Next with respect to z, here this is 0 because independent of z, it is 0. Next minus, here you have 2z, so minus of minus, so plus 2z. Okay, next plus k times of 2z derivative is 2 only, 2z derivative 2 plus k times of with respect to x is minus 4y minus with respect to y this is 0. So here you have 0i minus j times of minus 5 plus 2 is how much? Minus 3. So minus 3 into minus plus 3j, this is minus 4yk. This is the curl f bar, that is del cross f bar. Therefore the triple integral over v curl f bar dot dv is equal to triple integral. Okay, next limits also we need to write. I'll write in the next step. Curl f bar is nothing but 3j minus 4yk into dx dy dz volume v. Now what are the limits of x, y, z? You see, x limit is from 0 to 2 and y is from 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2, 6 minus 3x by 2, and z limit is from, this is y limit, this is x limit. Okay, z limit is from 0 to 3x plus 2y minus 6 by 3, and the integrand you have 3j minus 4yk times of dx dy dz. Friends, you see, integrand is a scalar or vector. Integrand is a scalar or vector. So if you are integrated a vector, again you will get a vector only. If you are integrated a scalar, you will get a result is scalar. Now we will get a vector only. Now this is the finally we are written, in this case we are written limits of x, y, z and integrand also. By the observation you can say this integration is belongs to the triple integral. In the triple integral, the limits of x are independent, y is dependent and z is dependent. But y is dependent on x only, but z is dependent on both x and y. So first we have to integrate with respect to z. Later we have to integrate with respect to y, and then we have to integrate with respect to x. Is it clear for everyone? Right, because z is dependent on two variables, y is dependent on one variable and x is independent. Now first I am integrating with respect to z. So I will have with respect to z means, here you see this is a independent of z. So you can say 3j minus 4yk is a constant into z. One integration with respect to z is z. Limits from 0 to 3x plus 2y minus 6 by 3 into dx dy. If you are substituted this one, then we will have integral from x is equal to 0 to 2, y is from 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2 into 3j minus 4yk times of 3x plus 2y minus 6 whole by 3 into dx dy. Friends, you see it is a product of two terms, so I am separating these two terms. Okay, if I separated, then I will have integral x is equal to 0 to 2 and integral from y is equal to 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2. Now you see this is okay. First 3j times of this is 3 you have in the numerator and denominator, so I am taking outside. J is also constant. I can treat like you can write outside j times of this integration 3x plus 2y minus 6 into dx dy. Next, what is the term you have? Minus 4k divided by 3 integral from 0 to 2 integral from 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2 into y into 3x. Y multiply inside, then you will have 3yx plus here y if I multiply y square 2y square minus 6y into dx dy. Is it clear for everyone? Just what I have done here, minus 4 by 3 I have written outside, k also I have written outside, y into 3x means 3yx, 2y into y is 2y square, minus into minus, yes, okay, here minus is there, I am keeping minus is here only. Okay, now I have to integrate this one with respect to x and y. Now here y is dependent on x, so which one we have to integrate first with respect to what? Y. Here also we have to integrate first with respect to y. So if you are integrated with respect to y first, then you will have x is from 0 to 2. Here 3x minus 6, you observe 3x minus 6 is a constant. You can treat while integrating with respect to x. So constant integration, constant into y plus 2 into y integration y square by 2. Now the limits are 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2 minus 4k by 3 times of integral from 0 to 2. Is there any independent of y here? No. You see friends, this is a function of x comma y. This is a y term. Here also y term is there. From these two, you can write y is a common. If you taken y is a common, you see, like 3x minus 6. So you see 3x minus 6 times of y. So y integration is y square by 2 plus, are you understood? This one in the above what I have, 3x minus 6 separately, instead of the separately I am doing directly. Now 2y square integration is 2y cube by 3, limits from 0 to square 6 minus 3x by 2 into dx. Here also you have a dx. Now I have to substitute upper limit. Then j times of integral x is equal to 0 to 2 3x minus 6 times of upper limit what I have here, 6 minus 3x by 2 plus here 2 getting cancelled. Then y square is nothing but 6 minus 3x by 2 whole square. Now the lower limit you have to substitute. What is the lower limit? If you put y is equal to 0, this term is 0. If you put y is equal to 0, this term is also 0. That's it, enough. Into dx minus 4k by 3 times of integral 0 to 2. Now 3x minus 6 times of y square by 2. What is the this is by 2 I am writing here. Y square is nothing but 6 minus 3x by 2 whole square plus 2 by 3 times of bracket cube. What is the bracket here you have? 6 minus 3x by 2 whole cube into dx. This upper limit is over. Sorry, up to this upper limit is over. Lower limit if I are substituted, 0 into this term 0, 0 into cube, 0 cube is nothing but 0. So into dx I can write. Yes or no? Now you simplify this. J times of, here this is 3x minus 6. This is 6 minus 3x. So can you take minus is a common? Yes, you can take minus common. If you taken minus common, minus outside, then you can write 6 minus 3x whole square by 2 plus 6 minus 3x whole square by 4, because a by b whole square is nothing but a square by b square into dx minus 4k by 3 times of integral from 0 to 2. This is, here you have 3x minus 6. Here you have 6 minus 3x. So minus take outside, minus is a common, then you will have 6 minus 3x by 2. Okay, but here also you have 6 minus 3x by 2 whole square. Whole square is nothing but here a by b whole square means a square by b square. So this will become a cube. This is 2 square. 2 square will become 2 square into 2 is 2 cube plus 2 by 3 times of 6 minus 3x whole cube. Okay, denominator I can write 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8 into dx. Now I have to simplify this. Is it clear for everyone? See what I have done here. Minus I have to common, and then you have 6 minus 3x. Here 6 minus 3x power 1 is there. Here 6 minus 3x power 2 is there. So power 3 came. Here denominator 2 is there. So 2 square into 2, 2 cube plus 2 by 3 times of. Here a by b whole cube is a cube by b cube. Clear? Now here bracket square by 2, here bracket square by 4. So you can take LCM 4, integral from 0 to 2, LCM is 4. Then you will have minus 2 times of 6 minus 3x whole square plus 6 minus 3x whole square into dx minus 4k by 3 times of, here you have a 2 cube is nothing but 8. So 6 minus 3x whole cube by 8 is a common. Is it or not? So here you see integral from 0 to 2, 6 minus 3x whole cube I am taking common, and in the denominator I have 8, here also I have 8. If I taken 8 is a common, then the remaining term is, this is minus 1 and this is plus 2 by 3 into dx. Now j times of, this 4 I am writing outside, integral from 0 to 2. This is minus 2, this is plus 1. Nothing but here you have minus of 6 minus 3x whole square into dx minus 4k by 3. Here you have 8. Of course 8 I can take outside. 3 into 8, integral from 0 to 2. 6 minus 3x whole cube. Friends, you see this is minus 1 plus 2 by 3. Minus 1 you can write as minus 3 by 3. So you will have minus 1 by 3 into dx. Now j by 4, integral from 0 to 2 minus of, so minus j by 4 directly. So 6 minus 3x whole square dx, and this is, you see, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus k by 6. Here you have minus 1 by 3. So I am writing minus 1 by 3 outside. Integral from 0 to 2 6 minus 3x whole cube into dx. Now this is bracket power n formula type. So what is this integration is? 6 minus 3x whole cube by 3 into inner derivative is what? Minus 3. Minus of minus plus k by 6 times of 3 is nothing but 18. Now 6 minus 3x integration is 6 minus 3x whole cube is whole to the power of 4 by 4 into inner derivative is minus 3. Limits from where to where? 0 to 2. Common. That is why, okay, here also 0 to 2. Now here you have 3 3s are 9 and minus is there. So 9 4s are 36. Minus minus cancel. So 1 by 36 times of upper limit if you are substituted. 3 times of 2. 6. 6 minus 6. 0. 0 cube is 0. Minus lower limit. 3 times of 0. 0. 6 minus 0 means 6 cube. That's it. Okay, here you have, this is j friends. J. Okay, minus of minus plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. And this is, you observe, 18 into 4 into 3 is there. 18, this is 12. 12 times of 18 is nothing but, okay, 216 you are getting. So k by 216, but it is a minus is there. So plus into minus, minus I am writing here. Clear friends? Now this is upper limit if you are substituted. 3 times of 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 0 power 4 is 0. Minus lower limit you substitute. This is 3 times of 0 is 0. So 6 to the power of 4 you have. That's it. Now you simplify this. You see friends, this is 6 square minus j by 6 square minus is there into 6 cube minus k by, what is 216 you can write as? 216 is, you can also write as 216 you can also write as 6 cube and into 6 to the power of 4. So here this one getting cancelled and this one getting cancelled. Then you will have minus 6j minus 6k. Here you have minus sign, minus into minus plus. So this will be plus. So this is minus 6j plus minus 6k is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.